In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating annotations, both on a view frame and on a component basis. So without further ado, let's dive right in. At first, existing annotations can be edited by simply double-clicking on it. Liftdesigner standard texts are often referenced to enable translation for different languages. Now, let's move on to creating viewframe related annotations. Select the viewframe and head over to the Viewframe tab. Right next to Add a viewframe, you'll find a large A for annotations. Click on it and a text editor dialog will pop up. Type in your desired text and hit OK. The annotation will appear in the lower right corner of the viewframe. But don't worry, you can easily move it around, just like with viewframes themselves. Once you've mastered viewframes annotations, let me guide you through the steps of creating component-related annotations. Select a component. Now we have to click on the Active Component Annotation button in the Selection group under the Viewframe tab. The DT button adds a default text for the component or viewframe, and the arrow points to the component. You have the flexibility to move both the annotation and the arrow to your desired locations. In the properties, you'll find further setting options for the layout. For example, display without a box. Thanks for watching!